My Big Exact sensitive lenses have changed my life. Before, I often had a hard time adjusting to new lenses, and I didn't feel comfortable wearing them. I got dizzy when I was looking around and was frequently hit by headaches. I felt like my everyday life was being disrupted, and I was told, "You'll get used to it."
Get used to it is a phrase we hear often, but unfortunately, it doesn't solve the problem for everyone. Neither for Sarah here, who clearly has lenses that are not optimized for her visual sensitivity. To understand visual sensitivity, we first need to have a look at how our visual system works. The human brain constantly needs input from our surroundings to help make sense of the world. This input comes from our two visual subsystems, peripheral vision and focus vision. Throughout the day, our eyes rapidly move through various viewing fields and adjust to changing distances from all directions to support these two subsystems. In certain areas on the lenses, these movements can lead to distortion and blurred vision. This is what visual sensitivity is all about. The thing is, people react very differently to these issues. For instance, people with high visual sensitivity experience discomfort, even from slight visual disruptions. They find it difficult to adjust to their surroundings and provide their brain with the right information for ideal perception. Knowing this, combined with the fact that our vision is constantly in a dynamic state where our eyes move up to 250,000 times a day, underscores the critical importance of selecting lenses that match your individual visual sensitivity. Because it is very individual. Through our research, we discovered that 83% of spectacle lenses do not fit the visual sensitivity of the wearer. The solution to this problem was to dig even deeper into our knowledge and measurements from biometric intelligent glasses. With Big Vision, we developed a biometric eye model that helped us create millions of biometric lenses. Employing their expertise and conducting comprehensive calculations, our researchers got to work. They leveraged our industry-leading biometric dataset and applied advanced data science and AI to develop a way to determine individual visual sensitivity based on measurements made with our DNI scanner. We used that to further develop our state-of-the-art biometric lens calculations and collaborated with the University of Applied Sciences in Munich to study and test the results. With this groundbreaking discovery, we created a visual sensitivity index that illustrates each person's unique visual sensitivity. Now, we can leverage the exact and individual measurements made with our DNI scanner and design lenses that are optimized precisely for each individual, marking the next evolution in Big Vision. Today, we can proudly introduce Big Exact Sensitive, the world's first spectacle lenses optimized for individual visual sensitivity and biometry. To see how this works in reality, let's look at some cases. Sarah here has high visual sensitivity. Her experience is equal to many people with high visual sensitivity. Even slight changes in her vision can cause disturbances and disrupt her vision flow. Her Big Exact sensitive lenses must then be optimized with smaller concentrated aberration fields. Maria, on the other hand, has low visual sensitivity, meaning she is not as perceptive of small changes in her vision. Lenses optimized for her visual sensitivity feature evenly distributed lens aberrations and softer transition zones. No matter how high or low your visual sensitivity is, we can use the index to illustrate your visual sensitivity and craft lenses that are perfectly optimized for individual needs. The result of Big Exact sensitive lenses is remarkable. 83% of study participants preferred the new lenses, and they experienced a visual performance improvement, more specifically, a 24% improvement in vision flow, 28% better reading flow, and a 35% boost to their orientation. Help the brain see more of the world with Big Exact Sensitive. The world's first spectacle lenses optimized for individual visual sensitivity and biometry. Rodenstock, because every eye is different.